Welcome to Halfway There Adventures. I'm Sam, your host. Today we're going to be doing the tiller handle with some spar urethane, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it. We already have it sanded down and everything with 320 grit, so just so you know, you want to get it down to that. We're going to mix a 3-to-1 ratio of spar urethane and acetone in this little guy here. I'm going to be rolling it out with a high density foam roller and then hitting it with a white china bristle. So we've got our mixture, 3-to-1, nice and thin. And what that's going to do is it's going to soak into the wood grain. It's going to get our first coat. You don't want to put it on too thick. Nice and thin. Now after that first coat, you're gonna let it sit for about 4 hours or until it's not tacky anymore. And then we're gonna hit it with 320. We're also gonna be doing our rudder. So you wanna make sure that you hit it with acetone, make sure all the wood is nice and smooth and there's no sawdust or anything like that on it. We're gonna do the same thing. Nice thin coat. You're going to start seeing that grain come through. That's what we're trying to achieve. Just roll it on. Then after that, if you have any high spots, you want to hit it with the brush. It's going to knock it down. Beautiful wood grain coming through. Nice thin coat. I'm only going to do one side at a time. We don't want to get any sawdust or anything in there. So we're going to let that sit for about 4 hours. That is the first step of getting your spar on there. Next step, we're going to come through with the 320 grit and we'll sand it down.